Options Tender. This is Thursday after the bell, 2/11/21. We have had a really tight range in this week, and so that's why I want to start off with this weekly candle here. Let's get this out of the way. We've been up, we've been down, we just haven't really gained any ground. I did not mean to rhyme there, but everything looks bullish on the weekly. But I just want to point out this candle here. It looks like we're in a really tight range. We have one more day left to make a move. Something tells me that this is going to be some sort of pause doji here, and that leaves us with a 50-50 toss up, whether we're going up, breaking to the upside, or breaking down. So it doesn't change anything on the smaller time frame. We will look back onto that. Let's go down to the daily just to get down on the microscope just a little bit more. Trend is our friend. We are up on a wave 5. Now this actually might be a totally new wave 1 or the finish of wave 5. We don't have that count confirmed yet, but what's happening here is even if this is a 5 wave up here for a wave 1, we're still pausing. It's not letting us go down. We're over the 8 MA. We're bullish on there. We are at resistance. Something's going to squeeze. We got to move up. We got to move down. And we are bullish, but we have that bearish divergence on the daily. So you see our dilemma here. We're not making a higher high in this MACD. Just so you know, we're rolling around right around in that like 50-50 area. Are we going up or down? I think we're still going down. That's at this point just a guess. I am playing to the downside. I think the probabilities are leaning that direction. Let's go over to the ES actually. All right, I have all these alerts because I'm out on vacation right now, so I have a lot of things going on, and we're going to check things out periodically, but we're going to keep you informed. I'm actually going to move over these. I noticed that with that doji means that we have a pause for the week. So we're going to have something like that. We're going to have that triangle. So what does that mean? This triangle can be a reversal signal. That could have been our wave 5 and leading us to the downside. But I don't really think so. I think this is an truncated 5th wave, just moving. We can't even count the wave counts in here. And this is a wave 4 at the end of it. And we always talk about wave 4s on options tender. And how we don't typically play those. They can be an A, B, C down. These can be, and I still think that is still a possibility for tomorrow. We could be in this A, B, C move right now. But we'll have to wait for tomorrow to happen. But if we stay in this tight range for just a pause to end the week, then we're winding ourselves up for a big move, and that could be to the upside or downside because we didn't even come close to touching the expected move to the bottom or the expected move to the top. So we're waiting for a move to happen. That's a good thing. That's great for the traders. So as soon as we see something breaking out, be careful for this. Here's a couple scenarios. This is the end of wave 5. This is the end of wave 4. Down here, and we have one more small move up to slightly get to this divergent all-time high. Okay, sorry to confuse you. This would be wave 4 at the end of it. This is A, possibly B, C, and then we move up, or maybe we move up from here, make a possible new high, and then begin our descent to the downside. Now, anything's possible. I think this is very unlikely that we make our move and we just break to the upside and break out of this channel. This has been a channel we've been in for some time now. We break to this upside, then we're just going to have to use this channel as our backing for any of our bullish trades now. If we break above here, that's okay. We're traders. We don't care which way it goes, but we're on top of this. Now we use this as our support. after that. So just we'll keep along with this every single day. That reminds me, hit that like button, subscribe if you want this information every single day, because this is what we do. We interpret the market just to see what we're going to do next, what's likely and what's not. So I still don't see this ABC done yet, but this could be a wave 4 to finish off the 5 in some sort of way. The wave 4 is just always so mysterious. So Friday is going to be quite the day. I'm not playing any Friday options. We're out to next week already. We want to play it safe. And so let's go over to one trade request was fubo. I know we did this one this morning, but I have something to show on here. We are in the 65-minute. We're also on that fancy little wave 4. Okay, we had our wave 3. We're down to 4, and I think the wave 4 is finished. But it could also be an A, B, C. This being C not done. I don't think that's likely. I think we have our wave 4 done, and this is the new wave for the big wave 5. This is a new wave 1, and then 2 may be finished right here at the 78.6. Now, if it does go down to the 100%, which is right where wave 1 started, that's okay. It's not invalidated until it breaches underneath that support, that candle right here. So as of right now, this is a great setup right here, right now, in the morning, and especially if the market is up or paused. You see how a lot of stocks can move when the market is wiggling back and forth. So fubo looks really good. We're keeping our eye on that. Even if it moves down here to the 100% retracement, that's when I'd really go in with a big move for myself. And then you just know if it breaks under here, something else is happening, and we'll put our stop there. So the other one was Beyond. Beyond's finally coming out of the depths of whatever kind of pullback this was happening here. This is wave 4, we believe, as well. All these wave 4s happening, so you really feel the market has something to say after this 5th wave is done. But after this 4th wave, we have a wedge. It came out of it. Really hard to see, but we have wave 1, 2, and now a 1, 2. So we have a 1, 2, 1, 2, and we'll work on our wave 3 for this larger wave. Okay, we're in a larger wave 5, and this is the 1, 2, 1, 2 of that 5. So it'll probably give us a 1 of a larger 1 and down to 2. It's so confusing, but we're moving to the upside. Okay, we'll keep you updated on Beyond. we're upside from here, starting tomorrow, literally. All right, those are 2 great setups for you to go on tomorrow, and you'll know you're wrong, and always know when you're wrong when this 1, 2, which was 100% retracement. If price goes underneath this level, this candle right here, that's when you're wrong. That's where your stop should be. So heading to the upside. Good luck trading tomorrow, you guys. We'll talk to you in the morning. We'll have a brief video. Be kind of quiet again. We'll work this out with the family, but we're going to be here for quite some time. So we'll call it a week or so, and then we'll keep you updated. Okay. Good luck trading tomorrow. Thanks for joining us here at Options Tender.